And effective na rin to watch the show.
Ako siguro, as UP sa Mascom celebrates its 50th anniversary, we just want to say that laughter is still our greatest story we'll ever tell. So watch Live It's a Laugh Story, and thank you to everyone who came, and thank you to the finalists with me.
Oh, Mrs. Stan.
Yes, manood mo kayo ng Live Aids. Ayan, at saka abangan nyo sino ang mga bagong sisibol, sino ang mga nandito, sino mga babalik, kasi marami. So, abangan nyo yan at dahil, sinasabi ko sa inyo, sasuccess kayo kung ano.
I really hope po na manood din po kayo ng Live Aids and spread the word po sana. Invite your friends, your family, because this is a show for all kasi we are telling the stories of everyone. And it is really our goal to share the diverse stories of everyone, of every Filipino. So, sana marinig din ito ng maraming tao. So, manood po kayo. Thank you.
Magulo man ang mundo, the laughter goes on. Diba? Huwag po natin kalimutang tumawa. Huwag po natin kalimutang maging masaya despite the adversities that are happening around us. Dahil nasa amin po ang susi para sumakses ang kasiyahan dito sa Live Aids. No? We will do our best to give you our best show yet. Because the best is still to come, is yet to come. But we are going to do our best na mapaganda itong palabas namin on our 35th installment on the 50th and golden anniversary of our beloved organization, UP sa Mascom. And sana tulungan niyo po kami na spread itong word na to. Marami po sanang makapanood kasi masaya po itong palabas na ito. Hindi po kayo magsisisi. This is worth your time. Kaya nga sabi ni Lufumi Quinto, go, go, go!
Dito sa Mascom, go, go, go! Sabi ko sa inyo, visual lang talaga. Tama sila, no? Visual lang talaga.
Sabi ko na gold, gold, gold. Sabi pa niya,
Sorry, hindi ko narinig na. Yung bangs ko kasi umabot hanggang dito.
Ang saya nito, promise. Watch kayo.
Pwede nyo ulit-ulitin, Dan.
Alright, Director? Okay. Alright, so yun.